In the misty forest, life begins anew.
A newborn Bulbasaur opens its eyes to the world. Its first steps mark the beginning of survival. For a moment, its mother watches in silence. Soon, the forest will test its strength alone. Upon its back grows a living plant, a lung, its closest ally. Together, they wander in search of light and water. It grazes gently on roots and tender plants. But when hunger strikes, another instinct awakens. It can draw life from others from the leech seed. Predators lurk yet. A Beedrill dives from above. The bulb releases venomous pollen in defense.
The bulb releases venomous pollen in defense. Seasons pass, and the bulb grows heavy with life. One morning, it blooms into Ivysaur.
Over years, Ivysaur transforms into the mighty Venusaur.
An entire ecosystem thrives upon its back. In its domain, Venusaur fears no predator. When threatened, its vines strike with brutal force. When threatened, its vines strike with brutal force.
Its growth never truly ends, only deepens. In rare moments, Venusaur transcends roving, the Gigantamax form.
A monument to evolution, beast and plant as one.